Hi, I'm Josh with Tactical Tech, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use this barcode scanner with AIMS 3.0 to issue this box, these three items out of this box, this computer along with its BII, to one of my soldiers deploying downrange. In order to do this, I'm going to go to Issue Internal Hand Receipt. It's going to be going from the NCOIC, which is Sergeant Danger, over to Corporal Snuffy. And we're going to use the By Barcode tab, and we're going to use the scanner. The first thing I'm going to issue out is this entire box. So what I want to do is add the entire box to the hand receipt. I'll put in the scanner input, scan in the barcode, and it adds everything within this box to my temporary hand receipt. Now I'll change the scan box action to filter scanned items by box, because this box isn't going, it's just these items coming out of the box, which are all durable or expendable items, and that's just going to filter what box these UPCs are coming out of. And I scan the two towels in, the hair dryer, so that should be on the temporary hand receipt. And I don't got this barcode in the inventory yet, so I'll just do it by item. You uncheck this use scanner by item. It's a tool scraper, and it's coming out of my Tricon package and the cleaning kit. I'll just choose one, add it in the hand receipt. Now I'll hop back over to the barcode scanner again. I'm going to scan in the serial number for this computer. Now this serial number is associated with two different items. The end item itself, which encompasses all this, and the computer itself. So it's going to ask me what it is. I'm going to choose end item because that'll give me all the BII. And I actually screwed up here. Forgot to check this add BII with end items box, so it didn't add in any BII. Not a big deal. I'll just rescan it again with that checkbox checked. Choose the end item itself again, and it adds in all that information to include the serial number of the computer itself. From here I can go ahead and create 2062, verify all the quantities, and sign it out to Corporal Snuffy. Click sign, save it. We'll go ahead and upload it back into the database. Okay, and change sign date to today, and close. Now Snuffy gets down range, and he's got to issue out a couple phones over to Sergeant Danson, so he's going to do issue sub hand receipt. It's coming from Snuffy, going to Danson, and same thing by barcode. We're going to use a scanner. We're going to scan in just a couple random phones here. Create that 2062, have Sergeant Danson sign for it. Same thing as before, view and upload, upload that hand receipt. Change sign date to today, and close. And we can go ahead and search for one of these phones because you're not sure whose hand receipt it's actually on or who's signed for it. Go ahead and adjust this real quick, show hide, show that internal and sub hand receipt, and we see that it's signed out not only to Snuffy, who's primarily responsible for it, but it's also signed out to Sergeant Danson here. Sergeant Danson goes to reconcile or turn that hand receipt back in. We'll just view submit hard copies. Go to open the actual hard copy. Say he's turning it back into Snuffy. We're just going to move this quantity over. Have Snuffy sign in column B, indicating that he received it from Danson. Save it. Yep. Go ahead and email a copy over to him and himself, just for non-repudiation. And close that. Press OK. It'll ask to re-upload it from the temporary to the actual database. Press OK. And close. And in the AIMS work, we can just reconcile and close out this hand receipt. And that tells me exactly where all they need to get packed up, which is this void box. Same thing here, when he goes to return everything back to Sergeant Danson, going from Snuffy, we'll just open that hard copy again. Move the quantities over to column B. And sign that block with Danger's John Hancock. Save it, yep. Close that out. Press OK, yes, and close. And doing the Ames work, we reconcile all and close out this hand receipt.